The Diu Museum is housed in the former St. Thomas Church, built by the Portuguese in 1598. The museum displays a rich collection of stone inscriptions, wooden carvings, statues, and historical artifacts reflecting Diu's colonial past. It was under renovation during our visit. The nearby St. Francis of Assisi Church was constructed in 1593. It was later converted into a hospital during Portuguese rule, showcasing simple yet elegant colonial architecture. It was closed and in dilapidated conditions during our visit. Together, these landmarks preserve the religious and cultural heritage of Diu's Indo-Portuguese era.